we're back from Home Depot and we bought the materials that we needed, but we did forget to buy the 1x1s.
Oh yeah. Fortunately.
Okay, so we have the flooring here.
Yeah. So this is the flooring we picked out. Nice dark brown. So the reason we went with the dark color is because so when you're taking this RV out camping, you know, you're sometimes walking on dirt on trails, and when you go into the RV, you're gonna bring in all of that dirt in. And if we go with a light flooring, it's gonna always look dirty. So with a dark flooring, what happens is you can't really tell it's dirty, so you always think it's clean. But you know.
But this is not laminate. This is the, what is this one called?
I think it has
the
like,
vinyl one. Is vinyl?
yeah, it has like
the sticky stuff at the bottom.
The stuff you have to peel off.
So we're gonna, but we're gonna have to take our sweet time doing this.
Yeah.
No rush.
And the cool thing about this too is there's a lot of tight corners in the RV. You can use some scissors and just cut around.
Yeah.
Better than using a saw or
exactly.
a table saw.
Yeah, because we can probably go overboard and there's no going back.
Yeah.
Okay, and then we decided on for the paint for the countertop. We're gonna go with black as the base, right?
Yeah, black.
And then these little cute little like wood chips. I'm gonna show them.
Yeah, this was meant for like a garage floor, but you know.
Like for epoxy things.
Yeah, but we're gonna wing it right and see what happens.
Yeah. And then for the top, we're gonna put this polyurethane.
There's like a clear coat, right?
Yeah, it's a clear coat and it's semi-gloss. So once this dries, we'll put this on top. Hopefully it works.
Clear coat.
Yeah.
To prevent from scratches, right? Because I'm pretty sure we're gonna be dropping pans.
Yeah,
like
I plan on putting like 2 or 3 coats of this on top, so we don't have anything going on. And when we left Home Depot, we forgot to buy the paintbrushes and rollers.
You forgot to buy.
We're not gonna call blame right here. So we went to Wally World and we bought a roller, a tray, and a nice corner brush for the countertop. But we forgot to buy the trim, the 1x1. But so far we can move forward with this part. I know for sure we're gonna do the painting first because it's always best to do all of the painting you have to do first before you do flooring, because you don't want to get in trouble.
So let's start painting, and then if we have enough time, we'll do the restroom too.
Yeah, the restroom as well. Okay, so let's get started.
One more thing we forgot to mention, we are going to be putting window tint on these windows. We're going to make them look nice and dark. That way you can have all the windows open in the afternoon and nobody will see you. Cooking. All right, so
I can see you cooking.
let's start with, I guess, taping everything up and cue the cool music.
Okay. Music.
Cue the cool music. Cue the cool music.
Oh, then you drop some paint.
Where?
Right there.
Get out of here. Alright, y'all, so the first coat is done. See right here, I'm letting the clear coat dry up so we can put the second coat. It's very hard to put the little chips right here because every time I tried putting them on, they kept falling off. As you can see, it's very hard for them to stick, so just left it like that. But so far, I think it came out pretty good. And now that I think about it, since we painted the background black right here, it's gonna look pretty good once we paint all this black and we put the trim pieces right there. So I think it's gonna match up pretty good.
6 months later.
I don't even know what it is. It's colonial maple. Guys, will y'all look at this? That came out a lot nicer than I thought. This is colonial maple, by the way. I bought it because I thought it sounded nice. Colonial maple.
This is the color of old houses.
I guess we're going for that vintage look.
If you've been following along in our series, you will have noticed by now that Jose, better known as Chavi, has grown out his hair. Let us know in the comments if you like his different look. Cheese!
How the heck did you fit in there? There you have it. All done. We even got the window tint good. Unfortunately, the wallpaper didn't work out like we wanted it to. Thanks to me. I don't have that much skill with wallpaper, but I am pretty good with window tint.
And if you're new here and you're barely seeing this video in our series, I'm Mar. This is Sebastian right here. Say hi. Hi. And then the reason our series took a long time was because, well, we made him. He's a sleeper.
Another troublemaker.
Yeah. And then who are you?
I'm Chavi.
Yeah.
AKA Daddy. No.
But yeah. Oh, and if you can hear that, it's actually raining right now here in Texas. But it's not that bad, the weather. It's about 40 degrees Fahrenheit, right?
That is bad. That is cold, miserable, raining, wet. We can't even be outside.
You're silly.
And I guess once the weather is good and not ugly, we're gonna finish up the countertops, put the epoxy right because
yes,
you don't want it to chip or anything.
Yes.
And then, is that in here? Oh yeah, we're also gonna put chips and epoxy on this restroom table.
No.
What do you call that?
The kitchen table's right there.
No, I said restroom table.
I know, but that's not a restroom table. That's like more like a counter. Bathroom counter.
Oh. Yeah.
That is blue tape.
And reupholster.
What blue tape, Mommy? How would you?
Hi,
My
you two
name's
people.
Stan.
When are you? One time.
Oh, someone's camera shy. What do you have to say to the people in YouTube land, Sebastian? Can you say please subscribe?
Please subscribe.
Yeah, there you go. Come on, people, use that little thumb and just click.
Thank you for watching part 3 of the RV remodel series. If you enjoyed this video, click that like button and don't forget to share and subscribe. It really does mean a lot to us. Well, we'll see y'all in the next one. See ya.